How's it going today, Jera Bears? And welcome new folks here that are about to subscribe right now. Shh. I need you to be quiet. Shh. Shh. Good boy. Today we're gonna do a mukbang. Mukbang. I don't know. I haven't actually watched a lot of these videos, and I don't really know. I asked Brandon, and he said I just have to sit here and eat something in front of you and talk. There we go! That's what we're gonna, so today we're gonna do cereal. And I don't even know if this is gonna give me allergies or not. We'll see. And then I've got some very expensive fresh coconut milk that I got from Erewhon. And then, if I'm so hungry after, I've got some potato chips. But just count on the cereal for now. It's vegan, non-GMO, organic, peanut-free, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free. Benefits, baby. So this is what we're supposed to like. Ah, yes. Oh, yes. It's sealed in plastic, as is most. Doesn't smell particularly good. That's probably good. Thank you very much. Oh, you could just take it with you. Thank you. I'll see you later. Later. Got that. I actually don't have any bowls. Oh, I swear Brendan does not clean these plates very well. This is actually one of Brendan's containers for his foods. Because I have a giant bowl that I use for salad and stuff. You saw that? I'm not eating that much cereal. That's way too much. Way too much. For you? Give some the freckles. Alright. Smells like coconut. Oh, the reason why I was like, this is kind of weird, and I also, fuck! Got coconut milk all over me. Damn it. This is kind of weird, is because I don't really have furniture, so a lot of people that do a mukbang sit at a table and do this, and it's a lot easier. But I don't have any tables. I could have stood at the counter in the kitchen, and I was just like, I don't stand there and eat for like 10-15 minutes. Just too much. So, let's see. I remember as a kid, I used to put the bare minimum of milk in, because milk would make me very sick. Still ate it, though. Now I know I'm allergic to it. As are most adults. As are most humans, actually. Cow's milk, that is. And just because I didn't like my cereal to get very soggy, and I didn't really like milk. So, knew even then I was gonna be vegan. Could use some sugar. Oh well. I was gonna put bananas on here, but my bananas aren't exactly ripe. And the ripe ones I have are frozen, so. Now I always talk about. Today I spent the whole day working on video ideas and stuff for what we're going to do in November. Which I told you we're going to take a little bit of a turn. It's not going to be all like it's been. Sundays will be live streams. But November is going to be about trying to have some fun. So you might get some pretty ridiculous videos this month. And based on the stuff I just spent a ton of money on, ridiculousness is coming. Yeah. I bought a bunch of weird shit today. Some weird videos. I'm gonna try to make as many videos with all that crap as I can. Get my money's worth, you know what I'm saying? This is pretty good. You want some Frecky? So, ridiculous videos coming this month. Hopefully a lot of laughs. To be fun. Tattoo at the end of the month. Scary. What else? Anything else new today? I didn't really do much on today, Freckles. I slept in today. I was pretty tired. Oh, from the hike yesterday. It's a lot of exercise for me. What else should we talk about, Freckle? No? You don't want it? Yeah, you do. Oh, you hear the noise. That's what you're scared of. Oh, you're fine. Actually, this is not bad. It's pretty good. I mean, it would be a little tastier with a little sugar or a little, like, maybe some bananas or something on it, but not too shabby. It's so crazy how when I used to have milk, I'd be so afraid to try soy milk or almond milk or anything because it was just like, ugh, gross. And now, like, it looks the same, the textures, even now, I'm like, oh, it's kind of gross. Because it reminds me of milk. Not because of what it is, because it reminds me of milk. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. We could talk about how Bitcoin has gone up 25% in the past week. Good news for me. Good news for me. That's pretty cool. I also went down like a little bit of a Shane Dawson rabbit hole today. I watched a lot of Shane Dawson today. So. Yes. Oh, I just spit the shit out of my mouth. I'm thinking so much about eating. Because this is weird. I hope this is right. That's what I was gonna say. You guys have any ideas for like crazy video ideas? Not like normal stuff. Like a mukbang is like normal. What I eat in a day is normal. Like minimalism stuff is like normal. Like crazy stuff. But how many ideas? Put them down below. Might not necessarily do them, but I might. Or it might make me think of something even crazier. How long is this? I don't know. It's pretty long. Did you like that? You want to lick that out? That noise is freaking Freckle licking out the coconut milk. Alright, well, I guess we'll eat some potato chips. Because that was quite light, I guess. That is from Tender Greens, the fresh potato chips, fresh made. Oh, shit. They're harissa flavor. Harissa potato chips. Oregano, sesame seeds, cayenne pepper, garlic, cumin, coriander. Hell yeah. I mean, potato chip. No. That's all I got, babe. Here. You haven't know if I like potato chips. I do eat a lot of potato chips. I don't know. It's because it's fast and easy. I don't have to do anything for it. You just eat it. It's done. It's a lot of calories, so I don't have to eat a ton. Sometimes I find eating tedious. I'm leaving. Good day, sir. Trying to think about what else I should talk about. I still haven't gotten into Stranger Things 2 yet. I mean, not 2, but like the second season. I haven't started yet because you gotta like sit there and focus on it. I feel like I've been distracted, so I can't sit there because then I have to focus on just watching that. So I'm really hoping nothing gets spoiled. What else about life? I gotta renew my passport. It's also another reason why I haven't really been doing any trips. Because I gotta renew my passport. I don't have to renew it yet. It's still like early, sort of. Apparently, November, December, this is like a slow time, so it's good. You get your stuff back. I'm gonna pay for it to come back really fast anyways, but that is one reason I've been taking the trips. And I had to take a break after I spent so much money on my trip around the world. All the places I went this year, oh my god. Inhaled some of the spice. These are kind of salty. I feel like I honestly have no idea what else to talk about. That is my life right now. You know what's going on. I'm not always super excited. Sometimes I'm a real person. I would talk about one of the next places I want to go would be a trip. I don't know when the timing of it, but I want to go to Thailand, see Pai Pai Island, go to the beach from the movie The Beach. I've been wanting to go there forever. I think next year might be the year. Gotta go to Thailand. Hopefully I'm healthy enough and I don't die. think I do want to try to go to Vidcon in Australia next year again, because that was fun. And then go see more of Australia than I did. And hang out with all the wonderful Australian people I met. It's crazy. It's crazy to think I know people all over the world now. So insane. It's so crazy. It's crazy. What else might I do soon? I'm gonna buy a house soon. Like somewhere like I don't live in a house, like I rent it out. Like somewhere cheap. So I can't afford a house here yet. Fuck. That's right, I've eaten almost all of them. How many calories? I don't know. It's only 3 ounces of potato chips though. Can't be that many calories, right? It was crazy. Earlier today, I had almost a whole bag of those other potato chips I showed you in the what I eat in a day. I had a lot of chocolate. Well, I don't even really want anything. Like I ate all that, but kind of just been wanting, like, craving juice a lot. So maybe there's something in that I need. Ooh, that's salty. Ugh. Ugh. Why? Ugh. Ooh, what you doing to me? I also ordered for my hair channel. I ordered some fake dreads to see if I could braid them into my hair and have dreads. But the package apparently was delivered. I never got it. So I gotta go to check with somebody here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse me, pardon me. To see if it's still in fact here or if it's just gone. If it's gone, the freaking building owes me money because come on. And then if not, I'm also going to be, like I said, remember I said I don't bleach my hair more than twice in a year. I'm going to bleach my hair again and then add all the color. Because look how dark it is. It's so blah. It's so blah. It's so damn dark. And it's making me depressed. No, it's not making me depressed. That's strong, that's harsh. It is just bumming me out. It's not like pepping me up when I look at it. I'm like, ugh. What is wrong with my life? So. Alright guys, I actually don't think I can eat too much salt anymore of these chips. So, I think that's going to be the end of the video. Oh, why did I do it? Ah, so salty. Ugh. So yeah, there you have it. That's the end of my mukbang video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to put a comment in the comment section below. I can't remember what I asked you earlier, but I know I asked you something earlier. Oh yeah, about crazy videos. Crazy video ideas. Down below. Possibly. And subscribe if you are new here. I'm Jera Sky. Sky's the limit. Woo!